If Grammarly is blocking an app on your computer, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unblock block taps from Grammarly in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if Grammarly has mistakenly blocked a program you actually want to use, or if you changed your mind and want to remove an app from the block list. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and useful software guides. Now let's jump right in. First, on a Windows computer, look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the System tray. Find the Grammarly icon there. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you see the Grammarly icon, right-click it to open the menu. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open Grammarly's Settings panel, where you can manage different options related to blocked apps and app behavior. In the Settings menu, look for the Block List tab and click it. This is the area where Grammarly keeps track of applications that have been blocked. Now, you should see a list of blocked applications. Scroll through the list carefully and locate the app you want to unblock. Once you find it, click to select it. After selecting the application, look for the trash bin icon or the remove icon next to it. Click that icon to remove the app from the block list. As soon as you do this, Grammarly should no longer block that application and it should work normally again. That's all there is to it, a quick and easy way to unblock blocked apps from Grammarly. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.